This year marks Bigfoot's 50th anniversary. And I was 7 years old when I very first saw this truck. And I just thought it was the coolest truck in the world. And I had to have one. And then Traxxas finally came out with one, but it was a two-wheel drive. So I got me an old Stampede, 4x4 Stampede, VXL, and converted it over. Got the wheels and tires and got the Bigfoot body for it and everything else and put it on here. So I made my own Bigfoot truck. But now Traxxas came out with their 4x4 version. I had to go get it. So I actually went to the Traxxas store in McKinney. It's like 20 minutes from my house, and went by there and talked to the people up there for a little bit, visited with them, and then went ahead and picked it up. And luckily they had a special going on with it too. So any BL2S system you buy, you get a free battery and then a little charger also. So that's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Of course, it also came with a quick start guide and then the user manual. Got shock spacers, and then it's got your lug wrench and your Alan. But it's pretty cool. I'm very happy with this one, and actually what I love about this one, it's clipless also, so that just makes it even that much better. I love how a lot of these RC cars are going clipless now. Just makes the body look so much cleaner. Yeah, this is the BL2S system. Hadn't even ran it yet, so I plan on throwing the battery in here soon. We're gonna go try it out. But it's got all the upgraded parts on it. I mean, this is pretty much a Stampede's all it is, but it looks really good. I'm very happy with it, very impressed with it. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna do a speed run on it, and we're gonna bash around a little bit and see how well this BL2S does. So y'all hang tight. All right, it's working. Okay, 24 miles an hour.
Alrighty then.
Okay, I was really expecting like maybe 30 miles an hour of this thing. 24 is not that impressive. I mean, it's a cool truck and everything else. It is a lot of fun to play with, and I'm happy with it. Is it worth $400? It is to me, because I mean, it's Bigfoot and you're paying for the license and everything else, and I'm just a big Bigfoot fan. But this thing is upgradable. I already talked to my friends at Traxxas, and they said, yeah, it'll handle the VXL. So I do have a VXL motor and ESC that I've had laying around for a while, so it will get the upgrade. And then I'll put this BL2S and something else. I have like a roller chassis hot rod right now. There's nothing in it, so I'll put that in there. But like I said, this thing does need, it needs that, and turn it on here real quick. And steering servos, not that impressive either, so I'll probably replace that. But all in all, like I said, I'm still happy. I've got a really cool truck. I got a Bigfoot, and it is upgradable, and I'll make it right, and then we'll check it out again. But guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.